everyone. Someone said, I want to see a machine that can quilt independent large pattern high-end quilts. So here we are. Richpeace computerized single needle quilting machine with lifting head can help you to do this job maybe in 1 minute. Space. The maximum quilting area with a minimum requested installation area can save working space. Speed. The highest speed can be up to 3,000 rotate per minute, and mass production working speed can reach 2,600 to 2,800 rotate per minute. It can quilt stably and precisely at high speed. An automatic lifting head. The machine will lift the head automatically after finishing the quilting. It can deal with materials with different thickness. Standard maximum thickness can reach 50 mm. With Quilting CAD software, the pattern of quilts has no limitation. With individual presser foot driving, automatic thread cutter, and adopt Panasonic full servo system, it's easy to control and get the precise pattern. Whatever bedding products and duvet, quilts, comforters, sofa covers, headboards, and mattresses all can use this machine. I'm Lottie. We are in Richpeace. For more automation solutions, please contact us.